Welcome to Homeopathy TSKM channel. Today we are going to see another interesting remedy which is Antimonium tartaricum. Common name for antimonium tart is tartar emetic. The sphere of action for this remedy is first respiratory organs, salivary glands, mucous membrane and skin, nerve and brain. Constitution for this remedy is hydrogenoid constitution and the person will be a phlegmatic person. Miasm is Sora and psychotic. Diathesis is Scrophulus diathesis. Ailments from for this remedy is first anger, vexation, smallpox, after eating, vaccination, damp and debility. The complaints of this remedy is worse by or aggravated by cold weather in damp cold weather, lying down at night, warmth of room. For the amelioration or the symptoms gets better by cold open air, sitting upright, expectoration and lying on right side. Now let's see the guiding symptoms for this remedy. First is great accumulation of mucus in air passage and which cannot be thrown out but gives a rattling sound which is known as death rattle. Second is nausea, vomiting, coldness and prostration can be seen in this remedy. Third is all complaints are attended with irresistible desire to sleep. Fourth is excessive craving for apple and acid, desire for acids, cold water, strong liquor and aversion to milk and also tobacco. Vomiting in any position except lying on right side. Vomits until he faints followed by drowsiness. Last is pneumonia with jaundice and pustular eruption of smallpox. Now let's see the particular symptoms of this remedy. First, GIT symptoms. Nausea produces fear with pressure in precordial region followed by headache with yawning and lacrimation together with vomiting. Tongue will be coated pasty, thick white with red edges. Ascitic cholera where there will be incessant diarrhea and vomiting until patient faint. Diarrhea and constipation will alternate. Respiratory system, there will be great rattling of mucus but very little is expectorated. Coughing and gasping consecutively. Another symptom in respiratory system is coughing and gasping consecutively, rapid, short, difficult breathing, seems as if he would suffocate, and to make the symptoms better, the person has to sit up. Asphagia neonatorum, mucus rattling in chest and cyanosis, child at birth pale, breathless or gasping although the cord still pulsates. In cardiovascular system, there will be much palpitation with uncomfortable hot feeling. The pulse will be rapid, weak and trembling. Skin will have pustular eruption leaving a bluish red mark. Fever During fever, there will be coldness, trembling and chilliness, intense heat, copious perspiration, cold clammy sweat with great faintness. These are the main symptoms that can be found under Antimonium tartaricum remedy. Please don't forget to subscribe to Homeopathy TSKM channel. See you all in the next video. Thank you.